Alright, it's Christmas Eve. And we're doing our traditional family. You get to open one gift.
And Rocco wants to open this one.
Yeah?
Which is from Grandpa
and Grandma.
So weird. Here.
He really wants this spoon to chew on. Because he's getting a new tooth and he can... He's going to help you with the spoon.
Grab that ribbit.
Oh my goodness.
What is it? Oh.
What is it?
Whoa.
Oh, it's the gear thing. Yay.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. Rocco's like, look at the paper. Yay.
I also like this one. What do you think, Rocco? Should we get it out of there?
He's like, I like the paper. Oh, careful. Here's your thing. We also opened this one earlier today. This was from Uncle Andy and Aunt Jill and Little Andy. It's a pillow pet. And Rocco likes to lay on it when he has his bottle. It's really cute.
Okay.
Wow, you got it out of there that easy?
Yeah, that was easy. No twisty ties.
Rocco!
Look, if you add gears to it, it does other stuff. Woo!
That is cool!
It makes that same yeah from the ball hopper.
Yeah. Yeah! It's good because I like that yeah, because we listen to that thing all the time. Oh my goodness. That is...
Oh, we're only in demo mode. Watch out.
That is cool.
One more. Oh, hey, there you go.
He's like, I still like the packaging though. He likes the whole present. Yeah. Rocco, can you say thank you? I'll take the directions, Dad.
Hey, I want to see what it does.
Can you say thank you?
Hey, Rocco. Say hi. Rocco.
Hi. Hi. Rocco. Alright.